Hi, welcome to the channel hiringmentor.com. Do you know, in 2004, Google CEO had a smart response to a very tricky question. So he was asked about Gmail and he didn't know the answer. When it comes to job interviews, we all want to give answers that make us stand out from the rest of the candidates. That means knowing how to answer each question, including the tricky ones designed to stump you. But what if you don't know the answer to a question? So we will see how did Sundar Pichai answer this question, this very tricky question. So let's get started. So the interviewer asked him, "What do you think of Gmail?" He said. He started by saying, "I cannot answer the question because I have not been able to use the product." Oh, the interviewer said, "Have you seen Gmail?" Sundar Pichai said, "No." Then again interviewer asked, "Would you like to see Gmail?" Then he saw the Gmail and the interviewer asked him, "What do you think of Gmail?" And the Sundar Pichai answered. So here you see that he didn't say, though he didn't know the answer, he was honest. So the next time you're faced with a difficult interview question, first thing is very important thing is stay calm. Take a moment to think before you respond. Pichai carefully thought about the question and what could he say about something he hadn't even seen. Gmail at that time was newly launched. It was only an invite-only product. So he concluded that it was acceptable to not to know the answer. So make sure that you stay calm, take a moment so that you can respond honestly. Okay. Another important learning that we see from the interview is you should have willingness to admit what you don't know. More often than not, telling an interview you don't know the answer to something will dock off a new point. But it's better than coming up with something that may be completely false. So admit it, but admit it when you know it inside out. And another thing is express curiosity. Remember, for every "I don't know," there lies an opportunity to learn. So the value of being intellectually honest is that it gives you the opportunity to what you do know, right? So instead of saying simply "I don't know," Pichai told his interviewers why he didn't know. He wasn't able to use the product, and by doing so, he expressed curiosity, which is a trait employers always love in a candidate. So I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe, kindly like, and let us know what is the kind of subjects you want us to cover. Thank you very much. Do subscribe.